Hello. Well, I thought I'd vlog because I'm not vlogging in a while. And me and Sean made like a deal. If you vlog then I'll vlog too. So this is my follow-up vlog to Sean. Well, these past few days I've not really done a lot. I've been to school. And then I went shopping with my bitches. And that was really fun. Like, we got lost in Hull, and like we had to like walk around, like, yeah, you know what I mean. I do have clothes on, by the way. But yeah, that's what I've really done recently. Not really done what I've dyed my hair. That's gone from being like a ginger to like a really light blonde. And then I dyed it like, it's like a reddy brown, but everybody likes me dark, like it's non-permanent one, so it'll wash out, which isn't permanent really, so I've got to dye it in like 4 more washes. I've been to school a lot. Yeah, I've not missed a day of school this week. I felt quite smart, do you know what I mean? But yeah, Sean told me to vlog, so I'm vlogging. You can subscribe to him below. That's his thing. Yeah, you can feel free to be a total bitch to my boyfriend. Don't worry about it, be fine. But yeah, you can be a bitch because he wouldn't come out with me today and he went to the ball pool instead. Wanker. But yeah, I've not really done a lot. Tomorrow we had the day off school because teachers need training and I don't understand why they just can't give the weekend up. I'm not complaining because it's a day off, but you know what I mean? It's stupid really. Yeah, so because it's a day off I'm going to Hull tomorrow with Sean because I've got my own wife and we're going to go and buy his Christmas present. I've not vlogged in a while because I couldn't be bothered. This is pretty much my first ever vlog. I might try and vlog a lot more though. I'll consider it when I have time. Okay then, don't forget to subscribe to Sean, he's down there. Thank you, bye.